So this is my water tank. The problem I had, this seal around here wasn't very good. The previous person has over drilled the hole and then they tried to stack it up with a load of PTFE tape. So the problem I had was getting inside the tank, getting my arm in all the way to there to be able to put that nut on to be able to clamp that shut. So me being me, I made a tool, and then I put the nut with a bit of tape, put that in the tank, and then I was able to turn it and clamp that really tight. And luckily Toolstation have this boss fitting, I think it's called, or something, and it goes in and it shrinks the hole down, and this is nice and tight. So now I can install my water tank. So it's a bit cramped under it, so the water tank's going to go along here. That's a breather pipe, this is the infill, and then I've got an outlet if I need to drain the tank fast. So let's get the tank installed. What I've done is it's anchored to the floor with these, and then straps are going to go over, so if I ever need to replace the tank, it's a quick swap out.